Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix the WhatsApp verification code not coming on your iPhone. So let's get started. So for that, first of all, you have to make sure you enter the phone number correctly. Select the correct country, enter your full mobile number and do not add extra zero or country code twice. After that, swipe down to open the control center and then simply turn your airplane mode on. Wait for 10 seconds and turn it off. This refreshes your network connections. After that, simply restart your iPhone. Hold the side button, volume up button and simply slide to power off. After that, turn it back on. Restarting often fixes SMS delivery issue. Also make sure SMS is enabled. Open up your settings. Inside here, scroll below, then tap on apps. Inside apps, scroll below again, then search for message and then tap onto it. Just like that, inside here, you have to make sure SMS is on. If it's off, your phone may not receive verification text. Also inside settings, simply scroll below again, then tap on phone. Scroll below again, then tap on blocked contacts. And inside here, make sure WhatsApp verification number are not blocked. Also confirm your SIM has balance if your carrier charges for SMS. If your SIM is new, wait for a few hours for the carrier to fully activate your SMS services. Also, if the SMS still does not arrive, on the WhatsApp verification screen, simply tap on Call Me. You will receive an automated voice call reading the code out loud. Enter the code and you'll be logged in. And then, if you're using a VPN, turn it off. VPN can block WhatsApp server from sending SMS. To turn it off, open up Settings. Inside Settings, you need to go and simply tap on General. Inside General, scroll below. Then tap on VPN and Device Management. And if VPN is turned on, simply turn it off. If nothing else works, all you have to do is simply uninstall WhatsApp and then open up your App Store and then reinstall WhatsApp in your device. Your chat will restore if you had iCloud backup enabled. And that's it, your WhatsApp verification code problem should now be fixed. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub and I'll see you in the next one.